Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can download or install APK files on our school Chromebook. So for that I will be giving you out 3 steps, and after these 3 easy steps you will be able to install any APK file on your school Chromebook. So in the first step we will see how we can turn on our Linux mode on, and after that we will see the second step. So let's follow the first step first, and for that you need to hit up your menu on the bottom left side of your screen, and after that you will be able to see the settings icon, or you can just search for settings in the search bar and search for it, then open it up, and after that you will be able to see a panel on the left hand side, a list of different options. Among them, select for advanced, and a list will drop down, and in that drop down menu you will be able to see the option of developers. Just select it and click on it. After that you will be able to find Linux developers environment, and make sure that you turn that on, and after turning it on you will be able to click on it. Just click on it and then find for this option called develop Android apps. Just click on it and you will be able to see enable ADB debugging. All you have to do is just enable this option or turn this option on, and it might take a while and it might also fail for the first time. You can just try it again and it will happen quite easily. After that we need to follow our second step, and for our second step we need to open up terminal. And to open it up, it is quite easy. Just go to your menu by going on the bottom left hand side of your screen and just clicking it up, then search for terminal, or directly you will be able to see terminal in your search menu. Just click on it and open it up. After that we need to type in some commands in terminal, and these are the commands that we will be typing in the terminal one by one, and let's see how we can do it. So just copy this first command from here and paste it in the terminal. Don't worry about these codes, I will be providing it in the description, and even if you find some problems, then I will be providing the solution of some of your problems in the description. So just relax about it and watch these steps carefully. So just copy this very first code and paste it in terminal, then click enter. After that copy this second code and paste it in your terminal. So before we enter our third code in terminal, we need to get our APK file, and it can be any APK file that we want to download. So just open a browser and search for any APK file. It can be any other game or any file that you want to download. Suppose we want to download something from up to down. Search for it, and I'm just taking it as an example. You can just download almost everything using this method. So since FIFA is going on, we can click on it, and here we will be able to download the APK version of it. So just download this APK file and make sure that you open up your downloaded folder and drag all the downloaded files into your Linux folder. And after that just open up your terminal and your codes. And now we will be using the third command that we were just hold it with. So just copy this command and paste it in terminal. So instead of the file name, we need to replace it with the file that we have just downloaded. So in our case we downloaded FIFA, so we will just type in FIFA and then press the tab button on your keyboard, and it will be able to complete the sentence for you. And after that just click enter, and that was it. Now the third step is to just open up the app, and it will open up quite easily, and that's how you do it. But sometimes there might be some errors, like the permission might be denied, or the command may not be found, or maybe there might be error where it says that no such file or directory. So for the solution of these, I will be providing the commands in the description box. Just run these commands into your terminal and you will be good to go. As an example, if the error says that more than one device or emulator, then you simply need to run this command, which is adb-s emulator-555 install fifa.apk, and after that you will be able to solve this problem of this error. And in the similar way, I have written the problem here and the solution or the solution command with it, just type in the solution command and you will be good to go and able to solve almost all the problems. And if you still find any problem, you can always comment down below. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.